The course which I did is about Agile Scrum in practice, and this mainly focuses on first it tells about the principles of Agile. There are 12 principles, which is about customer satisfaction, welcome changing requirements, deliver working software frequently, collaboration between business and developers, build projects and motivated individuals, face-to-face communication, working software as the primary measure of progress, sustainable development, continuous attention to technical excellence, simplicity, self-organizing terms, and regular reflection and adjustments. These are the 12 principles that are created and developed by 17 developers. Uh, in this Agile Scrum and practice, first it deals about these 12 principles, and then we come across the comparison between Agile model and waterfall model, how these two are differentiated. First, Agile is about waterfall model is about the traditional and the linear process where each phase of the project must be completed before moving on to the next. It follows a structured sequential approach, making it ideal for the projects with clearly defined requirements that are unlikely to change. For example, if we have many requirements and first the initial requirement must be completed before moving to the next requirement, or else we won't be able to access the other requirements because it is a linear sequential model. First requirement should be completed and then the next requirement should be moved on. So this is how the waterfall model works. But in Agile model, it's more flexible. It's an iterative methodology that emphasizes collaboration, adaptability, and continuous improvement. Agile projects are broken down into smaller increments or sprints, each of which delivers a working product feature. The focus is on delivering value to the customer quickly and frequently with regular feedback loops to adjust the course of development as needed. Agile is well suitable for the project with changing requirements where frequent updates and revisions are needed. Uh, this part completely focuses on the differences, unique differences between Agile and waterfall model, and it tells about how Agile method is more standardizable and how it is far from waterfall model, that is the traditional model which we used in the previous years, and how this Agile model is into the projects, how Agile is getting adopted into the projects. Agile adoption in project involves integration Agile principles and practices. That is the 12 principles which we saw in the last slide. How those 12 principles are practiced into an organization's project delivery process, shifting from traditional rigid methodologies like waterfall to a more flexible, iterative, and collaborative approach. That is, we saw the waterfall model, right? In that waterfall model, how we will be able to convert that into a more flexible term, that is the current Agile model which we are using, how a waterfall model will be converted into Agile model, and how we will be implementing those in the projects. That's what Agile adoption is about. The process typically begins with assessing the organization's readiness by considering factors like team dynamics, project complexity, and the need for flexibility. Teams are then trained on Agile principles, often through workshops or certifications in frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, or Lean. Pilot projects are conducted to test Agile in practice, and the organization may choose a specific framework based on the project needs and culture. Agile adoption also requires a cultural shift promoting collaboration, transparency, and decision-making autonomy within teams. So this is how Agile adoption will be into the projects. However, there will be some challenges such as resistance to change, lack of experience, and misalignment within the organizational culture. These challenges may arise at some times. So, despite these, Agile adoption offers benefits like faster delivery, increased collaboration, and flexibility, ultimately leading to improved efficiency, customer satisfaction, and innovation. This is how all these challenges are overcome, and then it since with these benefits, all those challenges will be overshadowed. And about the Scrum, Agile Scrum in practice, let's talk about the Scrum Master. A Scrum Master is a key facilitator and servant leader in the Scrum framework, ensuring that the team follows Scrum practices and works efficiently. They facilitate Scrum events such as sprint planning, daily stand-ups, sprint review, retrospective, and help the team stay focused on delivering the sprint goal. They also identify and remove impediments coach the team on agile principles, protect the team from external distractions, and foster collaborations. The Scrum Master serves as a liaison between the team and stakeholders, ensuring smooth communication. Key qualities include servant leadership, facilitation, problem solving, and strong communication skills. Unlike a project manager, the Scrum Master supports the team's self organization, continuous improvement, and high performance. This is how the Scrum Master works. What are the key qualities in the Scrum Master? It's about the servant leadership, facilitation skills, problem solving, communication skills, and agile knowledge. What is servant leadership? It is a Scrum Master leads by serving the team. They focus on supporting and empowering the team rather than directing or controlling. Facilitation skills. Scrum Master needs strong facilitation skills to lead meetings and guide discussions productively. Problem solving. They should be adept at identifying and solving problems that may arise during the project. Communication skill. Clear communication within the team and the stakeholders is essential to ensure alignment and transparency. That is what we saw the challenges in bringing out agile into the current projects. How we will be adapting? There will be some challenges. So, in order to maintain the alignment in those challenges and bringing out the outcome, problem solving and communication skills are more important. Agile knowledge. Scrum Master should have deep knowledge of Agile principles and Scrum practices to coach the team effectively. Then we see about Scrum Master versus Product Owner versus Development Team. That is, the Product Owner is responsible for defining the product backlog, prioritizing features, and ensuring that the product delivers value to the customer. The development team is responsible for building the product and delivering the work during the sprint. Scrum Master ensures that the Scrum framework is being followed and helps the team work effectively and efficiently. This is how the Scrum Master works. And next, it talks about this course, particularly talks about the user stories, and it's a vast topic. User stories are a core component of agile methodologies, particularly in Scrum, where they are used to capture functional requirements or features from the perspective of the end user. A user story describes a feature or functionality that delivers value to the user, written in simple, non-technical language. Benefits of using these user stories: user-centered, simplicity, collaboration, flexibility, and incremental delivery. User-centered. They help keep the focus on delivering value to the user, ensuring that the product align with the user needs. Simplicity. User stories are simple and concise, making them easy for anyone, including non-technical stakeholders, to understand. Collaboration. They promote collaboration among the team, product owner, and stakeholders by providing a shared understanding of the features and its values. Flexibility. User story allow for flexibility in development, enabling terms to adapt to changing requirements for new priorities. Incremental delivery. They facilitate incremental delivery, enabling terms to release features progressively rather than waiting for a large and final release. These are the benefits of using the user stories. And then this course deals about the product backlog grooming. What is product backlog? Product backlog grooming or backlog refinement is a continuous process in Agile where the product owner and the development team collaborate to review, update, and prioritize items in the product backlog. The main goal is to keep backlog well organized and ready for upcoming sprints. This involves reviewing backlog items to ensure they are relevant, prioritizing them based on business value and urgency, clarifying requirements, and estimating effort. Large items like epics are broken down into simpler tasks for better estimation and completion within a sprint. The team also removes outdated items to keep the backlog focused and aligned within the project goals. Grooming is a regular activity, often held once or twice a week, and involves improves sprint planning, enhances collaboration, and increases efficiency by ensuring the team is focused on delivering high-value features. It helps maintain alignment within the customer needs and fosters continuous improvement through regular reviews. These are all the main topics that this particular course, that is Agile Scrum in practice, focuses on. And other than that, it tells about the development and the functional phase. All these compromises into this course, and